Have you ever wondered why your knuckles make that popping noise? Let's find out. Inside your joints, like in your fingers, there's a fluid called synovial fluid that acts as a lubricant. This fluid contains dissolved gases. When you crack your knuckles by pulling or bending your fingers, you apply pressure to the joint. The joint space expands, resulting in a decrease in pressure inside. The decreased pressure allows the dissolved gases in the synovial fluid to form bubbles. When the joint space suddenly collapses, the bubbles in the synovial fluid collapse or burst. This process is known as cavitation. The rapid collapse or bursting of these bubbles produces the cracking sound you hear. Finally, cracking your knuckles is generally harmless. And the sound itself doesn't cause any damage to your joints.